Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our channel, Bistro Ginkgo, the longevity cuisine. We are in Denmark, Esbjerg, and we have this wonderful uhu nest. So we feel very comfortable. We are the architecture give us a lot of inspiration. Today we have a long walk, 7.5 kilometers along the coast, and enjoy the wind and enjoy the fresh air, the salty smell in the air. So now we are tired and I don't like to cook. Then we went to the supermarket, Føtex, and we just eat some cold one, and afterwards we drink a hot tea, everything is fine. For the nutrition protein, we bought the barbecue grilled, the grilled chicken, and we observe it's no additive in it. Then we think just take it to avoid that I have to cook. Now, I'd like to put the chicken out. What I want to do is to always have this. Always use juice, and then this is supposed to wrap or to use this like instead of rice or the how to say fladenbrot, the wheat wrap. So I put it on the table. Then here we prepared that. I don't like to have to repeat myself and let the video very long lasting. So we prepared just Michael has cut the cucumber and the tomatoes. It's very important we add the different species of the tomato, because with the quite bigger ones, and then we bought these with different colors, and the dark red and the yellow, this green one. So each color, if it's looking differently, then each color has another taste. So for me, it's very important with a different taste. So I add different color. Now I put this on the table for if it's not enough.
And garlic, a lot of garlic.
Lot of raw garlic. It's one for the taste, and it's also a little bit salt with the whole stuff. But I think it's maybe like 0.5, because I want to mix the chicken in it to have a wonderful flavor. Then a little bit like zucchimono, let the juice coming out, then the cucumber will quite juicy, quite interesting texture. Then I have the avocado, so I don't want to show you how to cut avocado. I guess everybody cut it. So then this is a heart, so it's too small to use as a big leaf. Then I just cut this to mix into the salad. And also for some wonderful taste, I want to just add a little bit of the carrot. It's eco. It's from the Netherlands, but it fits the Danish standard of eco, of organic. How can I open it? Just a little bit for the taste. The bowl is too small. I change a bigger bowl to better mix, to mix it better. So today I really want to buy the bowl, because without bowl I cannot work. They don't have so much. Tomorrow I'm planning to make some wheat, some Chinese dumpling, and how to deal with wheat, because this looks very nice. Add a little bit more because it has a very hard texture, so the avocado is too soft. Then this make the texture interesting, so we have to do that. So with this, it's quite nice. And now I want to take just make like that. We both like the skin, so we can put it like. Why I want to mix this? Obviously, I can also just put it inside, but the mix technology, technique give us within one bite 10 different tastes, let's say. So it's much more interesting than eat it separately. Even your body gets the same nutrition, but this is for joy. So makes the flavor more interesting and makes more pieces. I want only to show you like that. I don't want to finish the whole work. So it's up to you. How much do you want to mix? I want to mix more. So when I'm doing this job, I want to tell you how to give more taste, how to give the spices in it. Then I like this shichimi. It's fine. Vinegar is quite fine because it's oily. It's the oily of the oil of the omega-3. How to say, from the avocado, the omega-3 Fettsäure. Fatty acids. So it's all kind of a little bit oily.
And chicken is also oily.
Chicken is also oily. But these avoid us to eat if you are hungry. So this helps you not eat the bread or rice, the carbohydrate or rice. This GI, very GI, fast GI rising ingredient. So you see, like if I do this, then I'm thinking, so I can talk. You don't have to watch this, but just think now. Acid, the vinegar, it's work against the fatty, Then the shichimi is I told you, hot and vinegar sour. So 酸辣 is a very good combination to avoid sweet and sour, So and then I will put it in. So as all of these, I can use the Maduro olive oil for the taste from agave, or just a little bit. Then I will keep this. We can add later. So as the chicken itself, I don't know how much salt they have, but you can always have more salt, add salt later. So also from the skin, if other people do something, I always think maybe they use the salt of 2%. Then the chicken bring the salt into the dish. And as is in the flesh, in the meat of the chicken, I cannot really smell it, so let's say I won't just do that, not to put the salt in it. A little bit olive oil. It's just for the fragrance later, yeah? So first I have used a lot of vinegar. It's come from the refrigerator, so I just do it like, because the vegetable need to eat and the chicken also, I want to put that this. And the apple vinegar is very healthy. Now I can just mix. Oh, it's good, it's good, it's good. It's very good. Like this. Just without cooking on a hot summer day. And afterwards we drink a hot tea for the feeling of the dinner. So this is fine. This is fine. Maybe a little bit, still a little bit more because of this volume. I'd like a little bit more. Then shitty meat. A lot of shitty meat. It looks like much, but I have here maybe 1.5 liter, so it's not much. If you mix, it's not much. Then, at this stage, I want to have some pepper. This is without this pepper. Little bit pepper. It's not a little bit, it's pepper. Then I want to add some wasabi powder, using as some. It's good, I think. Now mix again. When I finish mixing that, I will add the last stage is olive oil. I don't like to put the oil before, because then all the taste and let's say the surface is then coated with the oil. Then all the taste is staying in the bowl, not going to the ingredient. So the last step then is add the oil. Okay, so this is only for the fragrance, to make the filling a little bit smoother than just everything separated. The oil also combines the taste together. Okay, and it's also sealed the surface. Why I want to seal the surface? Because actually with the whole salad I'm ready, but I think everybody, if they have some acid, some sour taste, they want some sweetness. Then we bought very good, for the garnish, very good blueberry and the peach is for the garnish. And this bring I will put every piece of peach, and then the juice of the ripe peach nectarine goes into salad. This is too expensive. I want to do it, but it's too expensive. I just leave it on the table as a dessert. Now this dish is ready for eating. Michael, it's ready. We can eat.
Thank you.